Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the game-changing secret, how we can sync CapCut PC with Dreamina. Dreamina is an incredible AI tool for generating stunning, consistent visuals, and I'll show you the seamless workflow to connect it directly to your CapCut desktop editor. So stop wasting time with downloads and imports. This integration is an absolute must-have for faster, higher quality video creation. So you can just open CapCut here, and once you're on the editing timeline, go to the media options and there will be this option, Dreamina, at the very bottom. Click on it, and here is the option to sync CapCut with Dreamina. You can sync assets from your same account. Click on this button, tap on sync, and just like that, all of the images or videos generated in Dreamina will be here. This one is photo, videos, and there's also music. So that's pretty much all. I hope these tips will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.